Hello fans and viewers and crypto lovers, especially Binance lovers all over the world, all who are eager to make money on Binance blockchain. Now, this is a very good opportunity for you to start making money with your Binance. Many people still are not aware there are different ways to actually make money on your Binance app. Now, I'm going to be teaching on one particular method you can be earning with your Binance app, which I will be revealing to you in this video. Now, just click on more if you are using your mobile app. When you click on more, just scroll down. You will find a platform. You will find a menu that is called BNB Vote. Now, click on BNB Vote. This is BNB Vote. How can you start making money through your BNB Vote? All you need to do is to deposit or buy for those that want to use P2P method. After acquire a certain amount of USDT, just swap it to your BNB. When you have BNB, any amount on your wallet, on your BNB wallet, all you need to do is to come to BNB Vote and subscribe. When you subscribe to BNB Vote, what happens? Any new coin being introduced to Binance blockchain, Binance will automatically give you a share of that new token. Any new coin will be given to you according to how much BNB you deposited. And that is not all. Your BNB will keep increasing. This is a very good platform that was innovated. Actually, the current estimated APR is 0.35% APR of BNB that will be given to you according to how long you hold your BNB. And a percent of BNB will also be given to you according to the amount of BNB you. This is a very good opportunity to start investing and start making money with your Binance app. Now, in next of our video, I'm going to be teaching on different method on how to make money with your Binance mobile app. This is just one method. Like, subscribe, share, because we are going to be revealing more ways you can be making cool money with your Binance app.